Hi everyone, welcome to Math Medium channel. Today I am going to walk you through how to find the missing values, and let me explain what I mean by that. So if you can see here, we have altogether 17 subcategories. And on this view here, for each customer, I want to find the list of the subcategories that this customer have not purchased, so we can try to sell those subcategories for them. So if you see here, the first customer, we have 9 subcategories, right? They already bought 9, but I want to find out what is other subcategories that they have not bought. So let's get started. First, we need to create a calculated field. So you click right here and create calculated field. I already did, but I'm going to show you what it is. So basically, we need to find the sum of sales on a customer for each customer ID at a subcategory level. We could have this in the view without creating this calculated field, but we'll need this for the next step. So click OK. The next step is creating this calculated field. So what you see here is you want to check the sales at that subcategory level. We want to make sure that the sales is greater than 0, right? Because if the sales is negative or 0, then we don't count those subcategories. So that's the reason why we need to create the sales at subcategory level, so we can use this for this second calculated field. So if that sales is positive, then give me subcategory, else just empty. And click OK. The third step that I want to show you is this calculated field where we want to count the number of subcategory for each customer. Well, this not is part of the final result, but we need this to validate it. So basically, for each customer ID, if the sales at that subcategory level greater than 0, and count it. And click OK. Next, I'm going to show you the missing subcategory calculated field. This is the most important calculated field of all. So as I show you, we have 17 subcategories here, and we have to check it one by one. That's why you see 17 rows, right? So basically what it does here is for each customer ID, if we check in the subcategory with positive sales, if it have the accessories, no, if it does not, so if you see the not here, so if it does not contain accessories, then give me the name of it, right? Because we want to have the name of the subcategories that it does not include in that customer. So if it does not include, well, then give me that name. And if it does, then give me just an empty string. And then after each subcategory, you just add the next subcategories, right? You just keep adding until the 17 subcategories. Then click OK. And then next, I'm going to show you what's the result look like. So what we have on the view here is we have customer ID, we have the subcategory on the view, and then I put the subcategory with the positive sales. And then next, we have the missing subcategory list. And for the measure, we have the sales at subcategory level. And the next one is the subcategory count, right? And the last is the sales. This is the sales measure, is the original sales are from the original data, right? So now, as you can see here, let's say take a look at the first column. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 subcategories, right? That's the calculated field that we created. So we just wanted to validate the data here a little bit. So next I'm gonna remove the subcategory and remove the subcategory with positive sales. And then now you have, for each customer ID, the missing subcategories. So now let's check in with the very first command. We have 9 subcategories. So this customer had bought 9. And we have 17 subcategories altogether. So let's count how many is that we're missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will make 17 total. And so on and so forth, right? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you for the next tutorial.